Finance has fortunately been an area where I have worked extensively, because even I had worked, in an organization in Calcutta as a full timer, which had finance and housing finance as well. So that's, I think, a common point. Lovely. So from your perspective, Vijayatri, what are the biggest strategy shifts, businesses and investors should actually be preparing for, maybe, the coming 2 3 years, because we see a lot of changes happening. I mean, we can see the tip.
Over the last many years, I think what I have seen is that there has been a broad shift. So I think I would really want to divide that shift into three parts. And this is
Okay.
how businesses and investors would also be thinking, I'm sure. So first is that uncertainty is no longer a phase, but it's more of a baseline. Then secondly, I would say technology, especially AI, is compressing decision timelines. And the third is that consumers are becoming far more value driven, not just being price driven. So this is one change I have noticed in the last few years. Also coming to India specifically, I think you can also see this very clearly that with policy pushes like the PLI schemes, production linked incentive schemes, the intent is to build domestic manufacturing strength. But when it comes to businesses, the real question is not just where the policy is actually moving, but how the ecosystems are actually going to respond and how they are responding on ground. I feel that this is something that you can only understand through qualitative insights and by speaking to suppliers, MSMEs, stakeholders directly. So I think this is where the role of you comes in.